Good morning students. Today we will discuss about voltmeter. So first and foremost question will arise, sir, why it is known as voltmeter and what it is. Actually it is a type of electrical instrument. Okay dear students, and then why it is known as voltmeter? It is known as voltmeter because it is used to measure the potential difference between any 2 points in circuit. It is used to measure potential difference between any 2 points in circuit. Since it measures potential difference, that's why it is named as voltmeter. Okay. Now next question, sir, how it will connected in the circuit? It will always connected in the circuit in parallel. Okay dear students, as we know that ammeter will always connect in the series, but voltmeter will always connect in parallel. So next question, sir, why it is connected in parallel? Okay, it is connected in parallel because we will have to measure the potential difference between 2 points, and we will always consider 2 points only if we connect the voltmeter in parallel. Okay, like this. Here it is our battery. Here is the key by which we can make the circuit working, either switch on or switch off the key, and here is conductor. And we want to measure the potential difference between point A and B. In this case, we have to connect the voltmeter in between point A and B, and by considering it into parallel. Okay dear students, voltmeter will always connect into parallel. Okay, now next, same, here it is battery, here it is the load, and resistance here it is. Okay, and here voltmeter is connected in parallel. Okay, same thing. I hope now you can understand how voltmeter is connected within circuit. So we have three noteworthy points in case of voltmeter. Voltmeter is always associated with high resistance. Okay, as well as it always measures the potential difference, and it is always connected in parallel. So if we have to compare between voltmeter and ammeter, we can say voltmeter will always measure the potential difference when it is connected in parallel within circuit. Ammeter will always measure electric current in ampere when it is connected in series in circuit. And ammeter is always associated with low resistance, that is known as shunt, but voltmeter is always resistance with high resistance. Okay dear students, I hope you have learnt a lot. Thank you very much.